Your inner skeptic, you should think about it as something to spur you on. Your data says that you have done it before, you'll be able to do it again. Always believe you were born to win. It's your right to win. Claim it, frame it, 'cause you were. Questioning your success? Let's start measuring it. Let's turn that inner skeptic into a data-driven asset that propels your success. So often we're having this conversation between our left ear and our right ear, and it is particularly true for women leaders. Now, let me let you in on a little bit of a secret. I've learned that there are lots of leaders, both male and female, that suffer from the imposter syndrome. They find themselves in a leadership position responsible for thousands of people. And yes, they're questioning themselves every single day with respect to whether or not they're making the right decision on behalf of thousands of employees and thousands of shareholders. Everybody goes through it. But let me tell you how you might keep that inner skeptic at bay. First of all, think about all the great things that you have done heretofore before you got to this leadership seat. You have worked hard, you have displayed your intellect, and you have made a series of good decisions, which is why you're in the seat right now. Own that. And if you can't own it in your mind, write it down on a piece of paper. Sometimes it's powerful to actually look at it in black and white. Think about all the accomplishments that you've made, all the things that you went for and that you in fact accomplished. Think about the things that you didn't accomplish the first time, but the second and third time you were able to accomplish those things. Someone decided you were going to be the captain of a team. Someone decided you should lead an organization at school. Somebody decided that you should now have responsibility for this department or this area within an organization. Remember that people see your light before you do because you are facing them as you're coming towards them. They see that you're strong. They see that you're smart. They see that you're a decisive leader. They see that you're the kind of person that people enjoy working for. So when you're having those feelings of doubt, when that inner skeptic is starting to get louder and you are now feeling like you're having a hard time holding on to your confidence and your power, hold on to those who made the decision to choose you. They didn't make a mistake. And rarely is there one person making that decision. Within an organization, there's at least 4 or 5 people that have to sign off before anybody gets a particular promotion or an opportunity to lead a group in the environment. And when you are entering into an organization, there's 10 or 12 people that you have to interview with before you actually get the offer. So hold on to that truth that other people see your power if you're having a hard time holding on to that truth yourself. Your inner skeptic, you should think about it as something to spur you on. Your data says that you have done it before, you'll be able to do it again. Your data says you're smart. Your data says that you make great decisions on behalf of other people. Your data says that people like working for you. I am sure if you are in the leadership seat today, somebody has told you that they are, quote, glad that you are their leader or that they are working for you. Own that. As my father used to say to me, when people tell you things like that, take it seriously because they don't have to tell you. Leaders, own your data. Your data says you're that good and that you deserve to lead. So go get them.